Imagine a world where tiny drones mimic the flight patterns of migratory birds, helping scientists track their journeys across continents. This cutting-edge technology, inspired by nature, uses advanced GPS and AI to monitor bird populations and their reliance on wetlands. These drones provide real-time data, revealing how climate change affects migratory routes. By understanding these patterns, conservationists can protect vital wetland habitats, ensuring birds have safe stopovers. This innovation not only aids in bird conservation, but also enhances our understanding of global ecosystems. It's a tech marvel bridging the gap between nature and technology.